would mean everything to me if I do.